Yep, I hear that noise. Hello.
TJ. Cheese.
Cheese. You're too close. All I see is your nose. There you go, right there. It's about pretty.
Cheese. Cheese.
What are they doing in there?
Cutting.
Cutting what?
The chicken.
Cutting a chicken? No, cutting a fish.
The fish.
Yep, cutting a fish.
I don't know.
Nope, you gotta wait. Sit down. Sit in your chair.
You. Yeah, you.
Is that gross?
Is that a crab? Bluegill.
It's a bluegill.
There's a whole bluegill in it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, how gross is that? That was in its stomach?
Yeah. That's probably, it's here, probably about a 5-inch bluegill.
How big of a stomach do they have?
Northern are big. Northern eat big stuff, man.
Got on tiny fish? That doggy? That doggy on fire?
Oh yeah, we're not done.
It's a big fishy in its tummy.
Are you here?
Uh-huh.
Look at you right here. Yeah.
You have a tail? I don't think you have a tail. What are you doing?
Like this.
Just like that?
Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, Ma, bring that light in here.
Okay.